Welcome students again, new activity class in Bardwan Model School farm. Today we are going to see some of the types of creepers and climbers. So whatever will be available in our farm, this organic farm, school farm, we will just go through those types. So here is the next category which I taught you is climbers, right? So here you can see bitter gourd. Here is the bitter gourd plant and it needs support. It needs support to grow. Here it will be grown in this form. Okay, and you can see two fruits are there, two or three, many are there here. Bitter gourds are there. See, so nicely it has been grown over here, and it will need more support, and then after a little bit when it will grow up again, our gardener uncle will give support to this bamboo stick. Okay, so this is climber. This is climber, which is in the category, bitter gourd comes in the category of climber. Okay, let's go for the new one. Now students, we are just before a small climber which will need support little bit later after few days, and it's beans. You can see so nicely it here. Our gardener uncle is nurturing these things, and here comes the beans which will need one stick later on. Okay, so this is also the category of plant. Let's see one more, that is French beans, and this is also a type of climber. It needs support, as it has not gone get the support, it has come downwards. Actually these plants go upwards, and here you can see some of the fruits are over there. So this is also comes in the category of climbers. Okay, this is also coming in the category of climbers. Here you can see this one. Now let us find out some of the creepers. Let's go. Now students, we are in front of creepers, and here you can see bottle gourd, right? See, such a lovely bottle gourd. Here also one is there, and some of them are over here also. Here some baby bottle gourds are there. So you can see it's a creeper. It's creeper. Okay, it has been given one shell height over here so that it can flourish itself and have lots of fruits over there. So it's a variety of creeper bottle gourd which one of our student told, right? Now let us go for the next one more creeper over here, and it is pointed gourd. Okay, it's pointed gourd. See, देखो कि छोटो छोटो होएछे, and it is also a creeper. A bed has been made for them so that they can flourish themselves, and here you can see they are creeping. Okay, as I told, creepers creep along the ground. So here it has not been done on the ground. It has one bed has been made for them at little bit height so that we can see them very nicely. So these were the examples of creepers. In class also I have discussed that one or two more examples like pumpkin and yes, watermelon. And creepers, usually pumpkin and watermelons are creepers. If you think, already I have told, one pumpkin or creeper would have watermelon would have been grown on a tree, then what would have happened, right? So these are the creepers who have heavy fruits also, grow heavy fruits also. And here I will tell one more thing, that in this farm still there are more root plants like carrots are there, turnips are there, beets are there, radishes are there. So it's a beautiful thing. Really, I and Manushri ma'am are enjoying over here. Manushri ma'am is doing the total photography for this video. So this is the effort of two teachers over here. I would have not been able to show you this one without her help. So all of you just understood, I think, what are creepers and what are climbers. Next day we will discuss about trees, and your activity this time will be, you will make a list which creepers and which climbers did you see in this video. Okay.